Ootko paikallisia ootte ilmeisesti?
Ei olla ihan. Ettekö tekään ole?
Cadillac motor car, whose supreme quality, inspiring performance, and breathtaking beauty, greatness, is never achieved suddenly.
Okay, hello, welcome to Wannabe Overlander YouTube channel again. Now our trip continue and we have repaired from car several issues and now we can see how it's working and where we can get with this car. So I show you later from map where we are going. We came here near of the Kouvola town. This is some Palvaanjärvi or something, name of camping area, and we found very nice place. We have small cabin here and our car get parking here. So, and this is our cabin. And here is some restaurant which is open to 2 o'clock. So let's go see that place. But now we try to unpacking our car. But this is very nice place. I'm a little bit wonder how we can driving out from here if the tires start to slipping there. What do you want to talk? How are you? Where are you now?
I'm good, thank you.
What you drink?
Red wine. Yeah, because now little bit like a cold.
Whole
so
bottle.
if you drink this one, you can be warm.
Oh, okay.
Keep it. I cannot drink beer anymore now because
Almost Western style
maybe more cold.
bar here in the camping area. We drive today 200 kilometers with our old car. We have had little bit small rain, but it's fine.
This is good, very good.
Now we start our trip again. Okay, it's about 11 o'clock. Now we put some rain cover for our car. So they say in the morning it might be rain. So now good night. Okay, let's make some checkings. We drove yesterday here. I think we don't lose any coolant. Let's check oil levels. It's a very nice view here and weather right now. We lose a little bit oil. I might put in possible half liter. Okay, that kind of checkings in the morning and we take out the rain cover. It's not should rain today anymore. We come to buying food here and we see some nice car there.
Vituinen käkkylä.
Okei.
Sysi.
Joo, kyllä. Terve.
Jumalautaa.
Ootko paikallisia ootte ilmeisesti?
Ei olla ihan. Ettekö tekään ole?
Ei olla. Sori, mä kuvaan tässä näin.
Saat kuvata.
Tein tästä autolla, josta vähän videoita katsot.
Ja ainoa juttu, että mulla on paljon harvinaisempi auto kuin sulla.
Joo, mikäs se oikein on?
Cadillac on Suomessakin jo varmaan monta kymmentä.
On, näitä on kyllä paljon. Mikäs toi on?
Tää on Plymouth Fury 70, tää on Ruotsissa jatkettu.
Niin, eli se on jälkeenpäin jatkettu, joo.
Tai siis tehtaalla, silloin uutena.
Joo.
Kekkos on 71.
Ja tää on 70, okei, joo. Kyllä.
Viisuinen käkkylä on kyllä yksi hienompia autoja, mitä on koskaan tehty.
Tossa ota toi, siinä on pari YouTube-kanavaa, sä voit puhelimella pääset sinne kattoon. Niin
Minne te ootte mennä Lappeenrantaan?
yhdellä leirintäalueella niin ollaan pari yötä ja saunotaan ja vietetään vähän lomaa siellä. Ja sit sen jälkeen mennään itse asiassa Lappeenrantaan.
Meillä on hyvin asia.
No niin, kiitos. Morjes. Okay, then we go back to our camping place where we sleeping, our small cabin, and now we get some food for a couple of days, so we have time to relax there. And I think evening we get sauna and possible swimming there. And this is a Taavetti city. I don't know, is it city? Taavetti village near of the Kouvola.
This is a Palvaanjärvi camping spot, and we have a nice sunset here coming today, and here have a pier where you can go swimming but no jumping because there is a rocky bottom. But this is very nice place, and they have also their smoke sauna, but it's not open now in a low season. But I think in the request you can book it advanced. My camera get foggy here, but it's the plumbing make a big noise because there is a water heating system in the pipe. But this is very nice, and then go to swimming.
ปุ่นอีพอปีนขึ้นไปเอาโดรนลงจากต้นใหม่เนาะกำลังลงมาบินโดรนมานี่ขึ้นไปขังอยู่ต้นใหม่ป้ายใหม่ของน้อง
Palvaanjärvi, off we go. And now we're heading to Lappeenranta. And this road name is Itsenäisyyden tie, Road to Independence. So let's see what we found from there later. Okay, we found our cottage here, but behind there. As you know, our car is not the off-road car and we cannot go there. How you can driving with this car there? We came from here. There is only small walk away. I try to find another way to driving there. So let's see. Have trees, have everything. My second driver not look with me. What happened here? I think it's okay. I might turn down here. Yeah. Okay, let's see this camping area. This way should be a swimming place, fireplace, sauna, and there should be boat also. So let's go exploring this quite big area. And because it's a low season, there's nobody. You have showers or something. Here's a laundry room. Here is some fireplace. There is a firewood and but no roof here, so no barbecue. It's raining and it's quite cold here anyway. I don't know what is this statue. Ancient Lappeenranta peoples, ancient Karelian peoples. Now we came to Lappeenranta harbor and we try to find something to eat here a little bit. I don't know is it anything open because high season is over. And here is a map. Have grilli also. This is Lappeenranta castle or fort. Lappeenranta fort. I don't know what it is. I don't know anything about this. And this is near of the Saimaa and Lappeenranta harbor. Oh, what you found? There's lots of constructions going on here in Lappeenranta. As you see, several tower cranes. This place is Viaborg's gate, Viipurin portti. If you're walking across this fort, you can get to the Christina Street, which is the of the 100 years old road which leads to the Viaborg to Viipuri.
Off we go.
We are going to stop some shop here and find something, and then we are heading to Puumala. We see road sign Auto Museo. That means here is a car museo. So we try to go look in there. What have there? I don't know about this. I don't plan this before. So they signed this for sale, but I don't know what. This is some nice old building. Look, a ravintola, restaurant. Yeah, but this they don't open anymore. Maybe because they have Russian tourists here. Never know.
Very nice after this.
Kosonen Automuseo here. So let's see, what is this? South Karelian Car Museum. Here is a nice bus, Lahti 310. I think it's a body name. This is from year 84. Looking nice, but I don't believe this museum is open. Let's see. Some old tractor here. Tires without rubbers. And this is a benzene engine, of course, because they don't invent diesel yet in this town. Fortson. 12 to 6 o'clock. Now we're waiting this museum opens. I think they should open 15 minutes or 10 minutes if they open today. I have time to show you where we have been in the last few days. We didn't use the highway because we want to driving the old roads, and there is something more to see than only highway. So we're driving this old Porvoo road here. Porvoo past Loviisa, past Kotka. Somewhere here near of the Hamina, the road turns to north to camping place that Palvaanjärvi was here. So it was near of Taavetti. We went to shopping in Taavetti and we see that old car there. And then we went back to the Palvaanjärvi, and that was very nice camping place. And we was there a few nights, and 3 nights actually. And then we drive road number 6 to Lappeenranta, and our camping place was here. It's just a couple of kilometers of the city center, and we was there 2 nights. Next, our camping place should be here in Puumala. We are now here Korvenkylä. We see this car museum, and you see it's very short from Svetogorsk, Russian town, and we are short from Russian border. Here they sign Karjalan Portti. It's like a gate of Karelia, and this is an old hotel, and I think this building is not looking very bad, but I think their business not went well or something like that. I think because the Russian tourists not coming here anymore. So
How very nice, hotel, but not have customer. This is very nice hotel before.
And here is what they sign here, Pito Ravintola. So this is building was restaurant, and there is 2 floors, and I don't know what else, maybe some shop there. And okay, that's it. Let's see if they come to open this museum. Now some car is coming here.
Is never achieved suddenly.